How to add bullet points on LinkedIn. Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily add bullet points to your LinkedIn posts or profile using your phone or computer, helping you create clean, organized, and professional looking content. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over, open your LinkedIn account and sign into your account. So if you want to make LinkedIn posts neater, easier to follow, and more appealing, you're going to use bullet points, and which is an excellent way to organize your thoughts. But since LinkedIn doesn't offer a built-in bullet list tool, I'll show you a simple workaround and explain why it matters. So you're going to click on post over here first and paste whatever you wish to post. For example, these are a few sentences and I want to add bullet points to each of it. So the first method is simply go to your search engine and search for bullet point symbol, and then you can simply copy any symbol. For example, I'm going to copy this over here. Click on copy, go to LinkedIn and manually paste for each and every sentence. So you can simply, space, and here you can paste the other bullet as well, and that is a way. The other way is that you can simply head over to your search engine again and search for type grow LinkedIn formatter, and here you're going to click on this one, LinkedIn text formatter, and just paste this over here. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here, and then I'm going to remove the bullets that I early added for a clean look, and here I'm going to add some spaces. And then you're going to select all of the text, and over here you'll be able to see bullets. So you're going to click on it, and now here you can see bullet points have been added to all of these. So next you're going to copy this all, click on copy, head over to your LinkedIn again and paste it. And now you can see that you have successfully added bullets to your posts. So people scroll through feeds very quickly and long chunks of text can be hard to digest. Bullet points break information into bite-sized pieces, making your content easier to read, more visually appealing, more professional, and more likely to generate reactions, especially from busy LinkedIn users. And that's it, a fast, effective way to enhance your LinkedIn posts and capture more attention. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.